things that you can eat. I try to make it as healthy as possible, as quick as possible. I get my protein in. I'm trying to help you do the same. I was just coming to Walmart to grab a few things, a little grocery shopping. And I said, you know what? I got my camera on me. I'm gonna go ahead and start recording because, man, I got some ideas. I just saw those flatbreads and these Hero classic burger buns. People have been telling me about Hero buns. I've never tried them before, but I know exactly what I need to get. Let me show you. Check out what I just found. We're gonna make it happen with these. Check these out. Look at this right here. Come on now. You cannot beat this. Look at these flatbreads here. Check out this, 60 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 6 grams of carbs, and 6 grams of protein up in this joker. Man, we're about to make it happen with these. I got a question earlier about crock pot recipes. All right, we all know, especially if you have a family, crock pots are a game changer, right? They will hold you down when you need a big meal. You need to just put it in there, head out, and be ready when you get home. Crock pot, man, go get your crock pot. Look right here, let me show you. Beef roast with veggie kit. Bam, they put it all in here for you. So all you gotta do is put all this stuff in there. There's even a little seasoning packet in there. Stick it in your crock pot, put it up in there, put it in there in the morning, and it'll be ready to go, all right? By the time it's time to eat dinner at nighttime, you got it, all right? If you don't like carrots, don't eat the carrots. If you don't like whatever, don't eat, but it's got the meat in there. It's got everything that you need. So this is the answer to that question I got. Crock pot recipes, man, right here. Go look for these. The kits, they already got them in the kit. Come on now, you cannot beat that. It's a game changer, all right? You get home, you know, if you have some bread, grab you some of that meat, put it in the bread, make some sandwiches. If you have some tortillas, make you some beef roast tacos. Come on now, you can make some quesadillas with that joker. There's all kinds of stuff. You have lettuce wraps, use lettuce wraps, put it over some rice. If you got pasta, throw some pasta in. I mean, there's just endless amounts of things you can do. As long as you have the protein first, the flavor is amazing. I get these all the time. I'm actually gonna get this joker right now. The flavor is amazing. I'm trying to tell you, you put that in that crock pot in the morning, you come home, house is smelling good, smell like you done been cooking all kinds of stuff, right? So then dinner's done. You're gonna have some leftovers, have some of that meat, or you're probably gonna have some leftovers. If you do, have some of the meat for tomorrow, put it in your eggs in the morning, make it some sandwiches, or just however you wanna do it, but it makes it so easy. You don't have to do anything. It takes about like, not even 10 minutes to put it all together, put it in the crock pot, press start, and you're ready to go. All you gotta do is just wait, head out the house, go do what you're gonna do during the day, get home, dinner is ready, all right? So I'm just trying to give you some more ideas what you can use. When you're trying to make a lot of food, crock pot's a game changer. Let me know your crock pot recipes, put them in the comments. If you don't mind sharing them, you know, if it's a secret family recipe, you know, I understand you're gonna keep that one, but you know, if you might have one to share, put it in the comments so we can all maybe check it out, use it. And you know, we're all looking for different meals here. So let me go see what else I can find. These right here, I like to get these. Just makes it so easy. Let me show you. These right here, okay? These burger patties. Now this is a 93 lean burger patty. But the thing about these, they're already, man, these are so simple. All right, you just cook these. I usually eat 2 at a time. You can just eat 1 if you want. Even over the weekend, I just made 2 burger patties. I didn't have any buns or any bread or anything like that. I had 2 burger patties, threw some cheese on top. And then I had a little dipping sauce that I made from Chick-fil-A packets. One was mayonnaise, one was mustard. I put those together, mix it in, and that was my little dipping sauce right there. That was my lunch, all right? So I didn't have any burger buns, but I'm probably gonna go home and make this today, okay? So you can have this for lunch, and then maybe with those flatbreads, man, I'm excited about those flatbreads because they're gonna make a bunch of stuff, but I'm gonna go and get these. I'm gonna grab me some beef as well. I mean, this is beef, and I'm gonna like an actual pound of beef as well. Grab some chicken, and then let's see what else I'm gonna get, all right? I found these at Walmart, all right? People been telling me about this Hero. I've never had it before, but somebody told me you can find it at Walmart. So I said, you know what, let me check it out. I usually get the Nature's Own keto burger buns, but these, man, the macros on here look pretty good. Look, 1 bun, 90 calories, 4 grams of fat, looks like 1 net carb and 11 grams of protein. One of these jokers, 22 grams of fiber up in here. 22 grams of fiber, come on now. That almost hits your daily goal right there, okay? So, man, check this out. I'm excited to try these. This is called Hero Classic Burger Bun. It says 90 calories, high in fiber, 0 sugar, 11 grams of protein. I'm all about that life. Come on now, you cannot beat that. So what we're gonna do, just gonna go home and make a burger. I mean, come on. Yeah, a burger's so easy to make. Cook that beef, throw some seasoning on top, throw some cheese on top. If you're going low fat, throw some fat-free cheese on there. If you don't care about the fats, like me right now, I'm gonna put some cheese on there, but you gotta measure it out. Don't be throwing a bunch of cheese on there. But measuring out 1 serving of cheese, which is usually 1 ounce of whatever kind of cheese, and put it on there. Try that out, you know. I'm excited about trying it because I'm getting hungry right now. I wasn't planning on making a burger today, but I'm gonna go ahead and make one because it's good. So I have a few of those meals and I'm almost out of tortillas because I use tortillas all the time, right? Now these are one of my go-tos right here, is these zero net carbs, these little ones, all right? Zero net carbs, these jokers are so soft, all right? You don't even really need to heat them up. The way I've showed in my videos before, you just put the tortilla on top of the meat, whatever meat you're cooking, chicken, beef, man, you can throw it on that roast, it don't matter. Put this on top of it and it heats it up, all right? And then it has that flavor in the tortilla. Any kind of tortilla you're using, you can do that, but I like to do these, but these are one of my favorite, zero net carb, these Mission, because they're nice and soft, all right? So, and they taste great. It just makes it easy. Even if you're not low carb, man, check them out, right? And Extreme Wellness has one as well. If you can't find those, Extreme Wellness comes in too. These are all great options just to keep in your fridge. It helps just, I mean, you get home, you have some beef, cook it, throw a little taco seasoning on it, bam, you got tacos, all right? That quick, okay? It's just, I can't make it any easier, right? I have this all the time. And Mission usually has different flavors. Like this one right here is a sun-dried tomato basil. There's a sriracha ranch that I love to get. There's a jalapeno one that's really good. If you find a jalapeno one, man, it is good. Try that one out, okay? But you can get different flavored ones if you want to. There's a chipotle one that's really good. There's so many different flavors that you can use. Extreme Wellness has a protein plus wrap as well. You can go that route. These things are great to keep in the fridge, keep in your pantry, because man, whenever you need something to put your chicken in, something to put your beef in, something to put any type of protein in, your eggs, your breakfast tacos, anything, keep your wraps in there, okay? Now, this one right here, 1 tortilla is 90 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, and 7 grams of protein and 3 net carbs. 7 grams of protein, 3 net carbs. That's an easy way to get your protein and keep the carbs low if that's what you're trying to do. If you're not worried about the carbs, don't worry about it. But try these out, man. I'm trying to tell you, man, these things are soft, man. You gotta check these out, right? I mean, you can make little pizzas with it. It's just all kinds of stuff you can do. Just keep them in stock, okay? I'm trying to tell you, listen to me, I ain't gonna lie to you. Sometimes they're trying to hide them solar bagels. Let me show you where they got these jokers. Look at that, they way up there, all right? So you gotta keep looking. You cannot just think they don't have them. They're way up here at the top. If you are struggling with what to eat, start with protein first, all right? So go get you some protein, go get you some beef, go get you some chicken, go get you some cottage cheese, go get you some eggs, whatever you want to get down with. Start with your protein first. I always say that, start with your protein first, and then build around that, all right? So as long as you have the protein at the house, you can make all kinds of stuff. If you get the right sauces, the right spices, you can mix and match, you can try things. I mean, look at the videos I have on my channel, things that you can eat. I try to make it as healthy as possible, as quick as possible. I get my protein in, I'm trying to help you do the same. Let me know in the comments some of the items that you like to make. Throw me some recipes, put them in the comments if you don't mind. Like I said, if you don't mind sharing the secret recipe, let me know in the comments. And hopefully this video helps you out. Like it if it does. Let me know how you like it and let me know what you think. And man, I'm about ready to eat, man. I'm hungry. Let's all keep getting better. Let's go.